What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. The reason why I'm smiling and having a good time with this one is that this one is actually in my home state. This is in Phoenix, Arizona on South Mountain. If you're from Phoenix and you've ridden this mountain, say hi in the comments. Let me know if you've ever been in this situation. But we're going to be going over it and we're going to talk about how this could be prevented. But also, this is just a straight up mistake, guys. I'm just glad nobody got severely hurt. So with that said, let's watch what happened and figure out, what we could do better. So these two dudes are having a good time. He dumped his bike. He probably messed up his fairings, all these different things. Well, hopefully, if he's looking for a new bike, he can enter in the motorcycle giveaway that we have going on here. You go ahead and sign up on DDFMcrew.com/motorcycle giveaway. We're giving away a 2019 Honda CBR 300R with ABS. Very, 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 very low mileage. Anyways, if you want to enter in, click that link in the description and the first comment, and you'll get my ebook for free on top of getting entries in. With that said, let's go ahead and move forward just a little bit. So these dudes are having a good time. They're riding. Look I understand it's kind of pixelated. This is what I got, okay? But this is all Phoenix. It's all desert, all dirt. And look at all the dirt on the side. The gravel, guys, sand. You start thinking a little bit traction issues maybe. Okay, good. So we should be in orange stage, not because of the way everything looks, but orange stage is going to be the stage that you are hyper aware. You're looking for hazards. You understand there's hazards. You're getting ready to brake if you have to. You're getting ready to swerve if you have to. Orange stage, you should be doing that, especially in this area. Now, you can be paranoid at the beginning, or you can be orange stage and not paranoid, but still scanning for things with experience. So this is why you need to develop your situational awareness. Okay, we're moving. Can't see until the last second, and oh crap, we're going off. Now, our vision actually changed from looking through the turn, which, if you have a camera like this, typically the center of the image, the center of what we're looking at is where our face is pointed. And then when we get to this point right here, where's the center? The center is close to off the road. So our vision actually went from looking through the turn to, oh crap, I'm going off road, and now I'm looking where I'm going. So this is where vision is extremely important. You probably heard it from all your coaches. You probably heard it from everybody. Vision. Look where you want to go. And it really is important, because if you're looking off the road, you're fighting your brain and your mind to keep it on the road. So you need to fight your brain and mind from looking off-road to looking where you need to go, but still kind of understanding, I could fall, but you know what? I'm going to commit to it, get angry about it, commit, because I need to make it, because you know what? The road isn't going to magically change direction to accept me. I'm going to go off the road. So guys, if you're ever in an area like this or in the mountains and you start to go a little wide, go ahead and roll off that throttle just a little bit, guys. I'm talking just a little bit. That's going to make a little bit of a weight transfer to the front. And if you do it smoothly, it's not going to be jostling the suspension. You roll off the throttle, it's going to give a little bit of traction to that front tire, which is what you want for when you're turning, right? So give it just a little bit and then commit to the turn. I'm not talking smash it, but you need to start committing more and more and more. And then you're out of it. Okay, oh, good. Now I can roll on the throttle when I'm out, and I'm just going to pay attention to the next turn. Do some slow look, press and roll. So he's going to go ahead and do not that, and then he's going to go off the road a little bit. Now this is going to be slower speed. He was able to brake right before he went off road. Can't see his hands, but you can tell a little bit from the original video, and you can kind of see it right there. He has his hand on the brake. Okay, so he slowed it down enough to hopefully not have a severe injury. Imagine hitting one of the guardrails, not good. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and dump the bike, and first thing I notice, obviously, is the lack of gear. Now, it's Phoenix, I get it, it's hot. Guys, I have jackets and pants and a full set of gear in the description. It's my recommendation, and two of those, they are going to be mesh jackets. So one of them is what I wear in Arizona. So if you're in Arizona, you don't have a jacket, there's no excuse. You need to get one, okay? I wear one when I'm riding, and it's just as hot. I understand. So make sure you wear a jacket. So you also see the hand. Okay, so gloves. This is why we have motorcycle gloves. So thankfully he has that, because he would have ripped off pieces of his flesh. The gloves will definitely protect you, hopefully, from ripping everything off. You might still get some road rash. All right, so he's got regular boots or regular shoes. He's got some Nikes. I want to see some Nikes in the chat. He's got some jeans, but he's got a helmet, okay? So looks like he's got a sweatshirt. He rolled up his sleeves, okay? That might protect a little bit, but definitely nothing when it comes to impact resistance. Okay, so make sure you wear full gear just in case something slow speed or even high speed like this happens. You're out with your buddies, whoopsie daisy. You hopefully protect your bike, but you definitely want to protect your body. So if you're ever going to be riding around like this, having a good time, just realize, heat could also play a factor. So hydrate, make sure you have good vision, a good line. You're not trying to keep up with your buddy. You're riding your own ride, wearing full gear. Be a smart rider, okay, guys? Being a smart rider is very important because, you know what, if somebody like this crashes, let's say it's your buddy, it's not you. I want the guy in front to realize that, and if he has a broken arm or laceration bleeding out, maybe unconscious, maybe the buddy is going to be able to hold that and keep pressure and make sure he doesn't bleed out, call 911, all these different things. And you actually see that right here. He came back and he's actually going to slow down traffic. So I mean, you see a little bit of road rash right there, but he's going to slow down traffic, and that's beautiful. I absolutely love this. Okay, he's going to take care of his buddy. You guys are going to help each other out, and that's part of being in this community. So these two dudes, I don't know where they came from or who they are, but kudos to them. It was a simple mistake, but you're going to help each other out, and that's what I care about, okay? Everyone makes mistakes, but it's how you react to those mistakes that really defines who you are, okay, guys? With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you around.